So when you're putting on a prong collar, the prong collar with a quick release, do it in a place where you always leash up. The first thing we do is we put on the safety. Oh no. Yeah. And this is a younger dog who's still learning and he's excited. So we have to wait for calmness. We'll put on the safety, slips right over his head. And then we have the prong collar, which can very easily get clipped onto itself. But we will take it like this. This part is in the right hand, the tail end in the left. We save this clip for the end. Everybody wants to pick this up first. We leave it to the end. And we wait for our dog to sit and be calm. Pedro, you're in the way. Yes. And we simply come underneath. We take that tail end. We slip the link through there. And that's when we pick up the quick release clip. Now we're clipped on that last link. We always put our leash on the swivel, not on this dead ring, on the swivel. And then we also attach the leash to that safety. Now you're ready to walk. This, the leash is over his right shoulder if your dog's walking on the left, which is traditional. If your dog is walking on the right, you'll have this over on this side of his neck. And then we wait for calmness before we ever start the walk. Leashing up is part of the walk. Good. And it's okay to take your time when you're leashing up. This is part of the process before we ever start the walk, before we ever move towards the door. The walk has started with calmness. It sets the tone for the walk. But that's how you put on a prong collar. Thanks for watching.